So now let's see how we can go ahead and add in text input field inside of wordpress.com. So over here to do that, I'm going to go ahead in between two blocks right here and click on add block. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in text right here. And you can see that text input field is an option. Once I go ahead and do that, you can see that this is simply a plain text input field right here. So if I were to go ahead and type in something like, let's say, for example, enter your comment right here, just like this, then this is the field that you have, just like this. So now what I can simply do is, let's say, for example, go ahead and let's say, for example, save this out right here. So once you go ahead and do that and then go to the preview, let's say, for example, right here, you can see that enter your comment is an option, and I can simply type it in and submit it out right here, and that will be recorded in the form section. So over here, if I were to go around onto view responses right here, you can see that it actually comes into the spam because I wrote a simple random message, but this is what you get right here. And that is how you can utilize the text input field inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.